System of nonlinear equation. It is a system of two or more equations in two or more variables, containing at least one equation in two or more that is not linear. Recall the equation ax plus by plus z is equal to 0, so that any equation that cannot be written in this nonlinear, therefore, the substitution method we use for linear system is the same method we will use for nonlinear system. We solve for the one equation for one variable and then substitute the result or value into the second equation and involve for another variable instead of. There is, however, a variation in the possible outcome. Possible solution set for a system of equations involving a parabola and a line. Number 1. The line will never intersect the parabola. It means no solution. Number 2. The line is tangent to the parabola and intersects the parabola at exactly one point. It means one solution. Number 3. If the line crosses on the inside of the parabola and intersects the parabola at 2 points, then it's two solutions. This is the picture of no solution. So therefore, the parabola and line does not touches the line into the parabola. Next will be one solution. So it means to say, the line and the parabola touches already the parabola. So we have two solutions. It means to say the parabola and the line already touches at the same time a little bit centered on the parabola. Problem number 1. Solve a system for nonlinear equation representing a parabola and a line. So let's solve x minus y is equals to negative 1 and then y is equals to x squared plus 1. So first, we will write x minus y is equals to negative 1. Then solve for x. So x is equals to y minus 1. Then y is equals to x squared plus 1. Then substitute the value of x. Then we will replace y into x, so y is equals to y minus 1 squared. And therefore, we will multiply y minus 1, y minus 1, and the answer is y squared minus 2y plus 1 and plus 1. So 0 is equals to y squared minus 2y plus 2. Then factor the y squared minus 2y plus 2. So the answer is y minus 2 multiplied by 1, y minus 1. So let's try to equate 0 for the y minus 2 and then y minus 1. So the answer is, we will transpose y minus 2 is equals to 0 and the answer is y is equals to 2. And the other one, y minus 1 is equals to 0, then y is equals to 1. So the answer are y is equals to 2 and then y is equals to 1. Then substitute the value of linear equation. This is a continuation. X minus y is equals to negative 1. X minus 2 is equals to negative 1. So, x is equals to negative 1 plus 2. Therefore, x will become x is equals to 1. So, we will substitute x minus 1 is equals to negative 1. Then after that, transpose negative 1, it will become positive 1. So x will be negative 1 plus 1. Therefore, x will become 0. So the solution are for the linear equation 1 and then 2. And the other one 0 and positive 1. So what will be the graph of this linear equation and the parabola? So the linear equation, if we will plot 1 and 2, therefore this will be the 1 and 2 and then 0, 1. Then we will draw the parabola in the orange color. So that will be the equation of y is equals to x squared plus 1. And we will have a line which is x minus y is equals to negative 1. Problem number 2. Find the intersection of a circle and a line by substitution. So, x squared plus y squared is equals to 5. Then y is equals to 3x minus 5. Substitute dy is equals to 3x minus 5 in the equation of circle. So x squared plus 3x minus 5 squared is equals to 5. Then after that, multiply 3x squared minus 5 to 3x squared minus 5. So the answer is 9x squared minus 30x plus 25 is equals to 5. Then we will add x squared plus 9x squared, and then we will transpose 5 to the negative 5. So x squared plus 9x squared will be 10x squared minus 30x plus 25 minus 5 is equals to 0. So 10x squared minus 30x plus 20 is equals to 0. Then we will factor the 10x squared minus 30x plus 20. It will become 10 multiplied by x squared minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. 10, and then after that, factor out x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 1. Then we will equate this one to 0. So x minus 2 is equals to 0 and x minus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 1. Then substitute the 2x values from the original value linear equation to solve for y, which is y is equals to 3x minus 5. So let's have continuation. Y is equals to 3 multiplied by 2 minus 5. So y is equals to 6 minus 5. Y is equals to 1. Y is equals to 3 multiplied by 1 minus 5. So y is equals to 3 minus 5. Y is equals to negative 2. What will be the solution? The line intersect at the circle 2 and then positive 1 and 1 and then negative 2. What will be the output of this drawing? So we will draw, we will put a dot 2, 1, 1 and negative 2. And we will draw a straight line. Then after that, we will draw a circle, which is an equation x squared plus y squared is equals to 5. So this will be the final output for the drawing. Problem number 3. Solving a system nonlinear equation representing a circle and ellipse. Solve the system of nonlinear equation. X squared plus y squared is equals to 26. And then 3x squared plus 25 y squared is equals to 100. So, first step, multiply the negative 3 to the equation 2. So, negative 3 multiplied by x squared plus y squared is equals to negative 3 times 26. So, negative 3x squared minus 3y squared is equals to negative 78. Then, we will add 3x squared plus 25y squared is equals to 100. And then we will eliminate 3x squared and positive 3x squared. So the remaining will be 22y squared is equals to 22. Then 22 divided by 22 is equals to y is equals to positive and negative 1. Multiplying the second step, substitute y is equals to positive and negative 1 in one of the equation and solve for x squared plus y squared is equals to 26. So continuation, both negative 1 and positive 1. So x squared plus 1 squared is equals to 26. So x squared is equals to 26 minus 1. X squared is equals to 25. After that, we will square root 25. So the answer is x, 1 positive 5, and the other one is negative 5. So we will substitute again the negative 1. X squared plus negative 1 squared is equals to 26. So x squared is equals to 26 minus 1. X squared is equals to 25. And then x will be positive and negative 5. For solution, positive 5 and 1, negative 5 and 1, 5 and 1, and negative 5 and 1. So what will be our figure or drawing in this equation? So we will draw an ellipse, which is negative 5 and positive 1, negative 5 and negative 1, and then positive 5 and negative 1, and positive and negative 1. 5 and negative 1, and we will draw an ellipse. Then at the same time, we will draw a circle x squared plus y squared is equals to 26. So this will be our equation or figure in this problem.